Autodesk PowerMill 2019 includes a number of improvements to enhance the creation of 2D machining features. These include a new side feature, as well as introducing the ability to create features based on selected surfaces. Let's start by creating a simple feature group on this part. Next, we can select the feature editor icon to begin the process of creating features. Once in the feature editor tab, you will notice a new icon labelled Side. Selecting this will bring up a menu to control the creation of the new feature type. It's worth noting that side features can be generated using either wireframe or surface geometry. To control which type of geometry to use, select the drop-down menu in the top left-hand corner of the form. In this example, we will choose PowerMill's new Select Surfaces option. This is another key enhancement to PowerMill 2019. Once done, we can select the faces that define the feature we wish to create. In this case, we'll pick the face at the bottom of this open pocket. Notice how PowerMill has automatically analysed the surrounding geometry and recognised that this is a pocket feature type. In addition, PowerMill has checked the surrounding geometry to determine the pocket height, as well as recognising this is an open feature. This particular pocket includes a chamfer on its top edge. For this example, we will use the blue drag handles to modify the position of the top of the pocket. We can snap to the correct point on the CAD model. Next, we can navigate back into the feature creation form and select the Fillets tab. Here we can change the settings for the top of this feature to include a chamfer. Finally, we can enter the width of the chamfer required, which in this case is 1 mm. Once done, we can click Apply to accept the creation of the feature. Note how the form remains active, allowing us to continue to create additional features as required. The ability to create features based on selected surfaces has been extended to apply to other feature types. Let's continue by creating a Freeform boss feature. We can do this by selecting the Freeform boss feature type. From the menu that appears, we'll change the selection option to selecting surfaces. We can then continue by selecting faces that define the feature. These can be the top or sides of the feature. As before, PowerMill intelligently analyzes the model and determines the size and shape of the feature to be created. Again, if necessary, dynamic drag handles can be used to update the feature, or chamfers can be applied. Let's continue by generating a toolpath for the open pocket we created previously. In this case, we'll use a pocket area clearance toolpath type. For this open pocket, we can use the new vortex from stock strategy. We can then fill in the necessary toolpath parameters, step over, step down, tolerance, and then we can finally calculate the toolpath as normal. Notice that this is an open pocket, and PowerMill has created a toolpath with lead-in moves that are positioned on the open side of the pocket. These increase the efficiency of the machining by minimizing the need for vertical or ramping entry moves. These are the improvements we have made to 2D machining, allowing users to create features from selecting surfaces, as well as the addition of a new side feature type.